Developments tonight in the murder investigation into Chris Watts. He's the man accused of killing his wife and 2 daughters in Frederick. A new motion filed today by prosecutors, and they're also responding to the defense's claims that too much information was leaked to media outlets.
Denver 7's Tom Musson's here. You've been going through these files all night.
And Shannon, Jacqueline, a lot of new information tonight, so let's break it down for you tonight. Today, prosecutors filed a motion requesting fingerprints, cheek swabs, and hand pictures from Chris Watts. They believe Watts is responsible for all 3 deaths. You remember the defense claimed that Watts killed his wife, Shanann, after watching her strangle their daughters, Bella and Celeste. Also today, prosecutors responded after attorneys for Chris Watts accused them of leaking information about the case to the public. Watts' lawyers have asked the court to open an investigation. Today, the prosecution, though, fired back, saying much of the publicity was generated by Chris Watts himself. Watts was arrested August 15th after appearing here on Denver 7, pleading for the safe return of his wife and daughters. Their bodies were found the next day in Weld County. The prosecution says an investigation into leaked information is an unreasonable request that would cause major staffing and funding issues. Now, we recently spoke with DA George Brockler before all of this information came out. He's prosecuted several high-profile cases before, including the Aurora Theater trial. He says even though he can't comment on this specific case, any high-profile case runs the risk of having some information being leaked.
Look, anytime there is hyper media scrutiny on a case, and especially when it's long-term, as I expect this one to be, you guys will be at every court appearance, as my guest, reporting on it. You run the risk that you will not have a jury pool that can sit there and be unbiased in its judgment of the facts that's presented to it because of that media attention. I don't think that's likely to happen here.
Now, Brockler cites the Aurora Theater case and Columbine as high-profile cases that proceeded in their counties despite massive publicity. Meanwhile, the attorneys in the Watts case will meet tomorrow to discuss all of these recent motions. As soon as we have any information on that meeting, we'll bring it to you right here and on our Denver 7 app.
Thanks, Tom.